guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing on a Coach Cassie Crossbody bag that I purchased over the weekend. So, well, as you can see, I am actually outside. I'm gonna call this as an outdoor unboxing. So I was so happy that finally we're able to go out. The park is open, the tennis courts are open. We're able to do whatever we can outside, but of course, you know, you have to practice social distancing as well and wear a mask. So I've been wanting to get this bag for a long time, and finally I was able to get it in such a good price. So I think this particular bag has taken YouTube by the storm. So let's open it. We have a receipt. I have a receipt here. This was overnighted, which is good. See, they wrap it like that, and they wrapped it in a gift box, which is so cute. So look at that, guys. It's so nice. The bow. I love their packaging. I love that they made an effort to pack it. It was still wrapped. So I almost removed everything in a packaging. So guys, oh no. Let me take this one out. Oh yeah. So this is the color Aurora. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? It's like close to a pink. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Take a closer look of the bag. So this is the Aurora color, and it's in pink. So let me just try to remove this packaging. Yeah, look at the handle. It is so pretty. The slip packet at the back. Let's open the inside. The inside has, yeah, this one has, yeah, it has 3 compartments. Yeah, and then one is in the zip pocket in the inside. Oh, this is so lovely. Yeah, just so you know, yeah, the inside here, the corner, around the corner, this one has glazing, but I love that. Yeah, there's not much of a glazing. Yeah, this one is like, yeah, it has a glazing, and I think the glazing are perfect. Sometimes I always have issues with the glazing, so that's why I am very, very conscious when it comes to buying a purse that has glazing. And this one is perfect. I'm not sure that if this one is made up of metal though. I'm not really sure. But this reminds me of erythenium from Chanel. It's so pretty, guys. Look at that. I love that you could just, the top handle is perfect. And if you want to use it as a crossbody, you can do that one. But mainly I would use this one as the top handle the most, because I don't know, I just love the top handle. And it is a structured bag. It is a well-structured bag. And yeah, of course the strap is detachable as well. And let me see what else. Yeah, the lining inside is fabric. Let me remove that one. Yeah, this was well made. This is actually very well made. Look at that. But just by looking at, like, a quick look, you could tell that, wow, I love it. And I paid $210 plus tax, and this is originally $350. So pretty much I got a great deal in this. And yeah, it is so smooth. The beveled leather is so smooth. It is really nice quality. The stitching are perfect. The stitching are clean, very neat. Wow, I am so impressed with this Coach bag. I love it. So I actually purchased 2 of these in different color, so I am going to show you the other one. And okay, let's get the other one first. That we have is, I forget the color of this one, but I think, let's see, let's just open it and take a look. So I ordered 2, might as well, because both of these are on sale for $210. And I think the black with a gold hardware, I think that was a regular price. I think that's $350. But anyways, well, I like this color. So anyways, let me show you. See the packaging. It's very lovely. Let me remove it from the packaging. So it's still wrapped and sealed. So let's take a look at inside. Oh, there's still a bunch of stuffing. Let me just take this one out quickly. Yeah, this is the fabric lining inside. I think, yeah, it's in blue. It's so pretty though. Yeah, it has 3 compartments in the inside. It's the same thing as, it's the same as in the other one. I think all Cassies are the same. Like, it has 3 pockets on the inside and then 1 slip pocket at the back. This color is so beautiful. I love it. You can this color is actually versatile because you can wear this one in the winter. I mean, any time of the day you could always wear this one. Oh my goodness, the quality is amazing. It's very soft. This one is so smooth and shiny. I would definitely gonna recommend this one. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I paid $210 for this, knowing that this is $350 and I got it for $210. No way, my goodness. The hardware is so nice, very well made. And then the bottom, yeah, and I love the top handle. This is one of my most favorite, you know, the most favorite part of the bag is the handle itself. It looks so professional though. I don't know, it's just I don't know, it's so hard to explain. I love the top handle so much. And let's see. Yeah, this one is what I like about this color. It's because, you know, you don't need to baby it, you know, unlike the other one. Let me get the other one. Let's put it together. Look at those 2 colors, guys. Oh my goodness, both of them are stunning. You should definitely take advantage of the sale. I don't know how long it's going to be. Both of these are on sale, so I don't even know how long is it gonna be, but you should get it before it goes back to the original price. And I mean, just by the quick look of it, I mean, it looks very luxurious. I mean, just by looking at it, this one is probably like, I could easily say, wow, this bag costs like $1,000. That's how much this bag looks like. I mean, the material, the quality, it's so soft, it has sheen in it, and the structured, it's very, very luxurious. Look at those 2. Look at those 2 pretty Cassie bag. That's why no wonder that I checked online. I checked on YouTube. I have a lot of recommendations on this bag, and I was thinking like, okay, I am curious, and they are comparing this one to my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, and I have that Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis in reverse and also in the monogram, and I probably have that one for more than 10 years. And well, I took the one on repair probably several times because it has problems over here on the side, on the glazing on the corner, and this side, the flap over here with my métis on the corner started to wear, especially the glazing started to come off, and that is my main issue with the push-up métis. And that price for that, I paid almost $2,000 years ago for that. That is very expensive. But for this bag, let me see if I could just the hardware I'm not sure, but if you would I'm just really trying to check if the hardware, if you put it as a crossbody, would rub in against the flap on the corner, because usually like when you wear that one, well, that's where it started to, you know, the glazing to, yeah, when it rubs against each other, then that's when you started to have a problem with the glazing. But that one, I needed to see that one, so probably yes, it's close. So I would definitely gonna do a review on this one in the next few months for the wear and tear to see how this one holds up. But yeah, most of the time I would just wear this one on the top handle. I love the handle so much. And look at those. I can't get over with the color, how vibrant the colors are, especially with this how, I don't even know, I forgot the color, the name of the color. Pine green, I don't know, dark green, I'm not sure, I don't remember it anymore. But yeah, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. I have new lovely bags that would definitely, I'm gonna adore. Yeah, this is perfect for spring, guys. This is perfect for spring. It's beautiful. It's very clean, very neat. I just love that the turn lock is not like shouting like, hey, I have a Coach bag or something. It's very subtle. It's very subtle, just like that. Yeah. Let's take one close look for the other one. But if I were to choose just one among this, between the two, this one is very classy though. This is like, you could wear this one with any outfit, also with this one as well. But if I were to choose between the two, I don't know, it's so hard to decide because both of them are stunning. Both of them are gorgeous. And especially like I'm outdoors right now, you could easily tell, you could really see the real beauty of it. I mean, yeah, I'm so happy that I did an unboxing outside, and so I could see up close how gorgeous the color is. Oh my goodness, I didn't see any flaws. I mean, this is just well made. My gosh, no wonder now I understand the hype of this Cassie Coach bag, because not only the price is affordable, but it is stunning. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like my unboxing, and don't forget to like and subscribe on my video. I will see you later guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.